Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily delete all your photos from iPhone. Very easy. So for doing this, just open Photos, just open your gallery and just click on Select. So after you click on Select, just choose all the photos. So just choose the latest photo and just go to the top and just click with second finger on this tab when you're scrolling up. So when you're scrolling up, just click with second finger on the right top here, and it will very fast scroll up all the photos. So this is how it works, and just click on delete and delete 26 items, and after you do it, you just need to go to recently deleted and just delete all items from there. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.